Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create AI videos using ChatGPT step by step. Like, comment and share this video. Firstly, you download your ChatGPT on your phone if you don't have the app. Go to your Play Store and download the app here, ChatGPT. Once you download the app, you open the app. Then you tell the app to write a story about a girl from Lagos State that lost her mother. So it's gonna bring some kind of story for you. When you get the story, then you go to Flow AI. Search for Flow AI. When you get that, you scroll down. Now this is the real AI website. You click on it. Then you scroll. You create an account with them. Here you have to scroll down. So you click continue. Then you click on the new project box down here. Yeah, here we are. Then you go back to the chat with GPT. So when you get to chat GPT, now you write that back, write a story about a girl from Lagos State that's named Fast Man, or let's say that her mother died. Now it's going to bring a story. Can you see that? Once you are done with this step, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you write kindly drop each scene character from current conversation in 3D style. Now you see the ChatGPT will never disappoint you. It will always bring you an 100% story. So now you copy the first character. Yeah, this way, copy. Then go back to your Flow AI. Yeah, scroll down. Continue. Now you paste the title. Can you see that? Now if you want this in pictures, you click on this nano banana 2 lights. Click on it. You see the option. You either switch from pictures or video. Let's go for picture first. You have to wait for like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Yeah. Can you see that? So now if you want this in video, you go back to the ChatGPT. You click on this conversation model, then you copy this, go back. Now paste what you copied. Now click on this nano banana to light, where you see the option of the video. Let's try a video now. Yeah, 8-second video. Let's see the magic. You know it's on video, so it will have to take time for them to create it. You have to wait for the magic to happen. Please, if you are enjoying this video, kindly like and share this video and comment what you think about this video. Yeah. So that's it, and that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.